Hello, this is Patrick from XPression. I'd like to show you how to use the Windows Capture shader in XPression. So I've got an XPression scene here, and what my producers would really love to have happen is be able to see the output of a web page as material. So I'm going to bring this over here on my main monitor, and I want to show you I went to the settings. I'm using Google Chrome, and one of the things I've done is I've gone into my settings and I have turned it off the use hardware acceleration when available. That is turned off. You can see the switch here. I now have the web page here. I'm going to move this over to the side for just a second. I'm going to go to my material manager and I'm going to add a new material. And once that material shows up, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to add a new shader. I'm going to scroll down the list. I'm looking for Windows Capture. I'm going to turn that on. Let me do one thing real quick. Let me find my web browser and bring that to the surface here so you can see me do this trick. I'm going to come over here. It says click and hold. I'm going to click and hold. Oh, I lost my browser. Scale this down just a little bit so we can put both things on the screen at the same time. I'm going to click and drag, and you can see as I put my cursor around it, you can see it's showing a red box. So that's what's around, and you can see that showing up now. So if I put that together and capture it, and then I add that material to my quad, what you'll notice is if I go to that browser page, move it over here to the side so you can kind of see it. As I scroll up and down, guess what? You can see me scrolling up and down. So this is a way that I can put a shader on my material, my quad, that is using a web page. And again, I'm going to take that off to the side here. I'm going to lock my aspect ratio. You can see I can also make this larger. So I'm going to take that and I'm just going to scroll up and down on my browser. Again, you can see as I'm moving back here so you can kind of see it. As I scroll on the browser, you see the content showing up on my web page, also scrolling. So that's how I use the Windows Capture shader inside of XPression.